2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, 8 speakers, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.